Okay, now we at one of my favorite floor plans, which is called the Savannah, and this one's in the farmhouse style. It is a 6 bed, 4.5 bathroom home. And let me just get into the AC and we'll go and talk about the price. So let me turn you around and grab the keys. All right, so as soon as you walk into this floor plan, you got the staircase that you're greeted with. I mean, great, nice high ceilings there. Private entrance, which I am a big fan of. And then this wing over here. Let me just look down here. I can't remember what this plan is. Okay, so yeah, half bath, laundry in the bedroom. Laundry downstairs here. You got space to put like another cabinet if you want to make an ironing board or refrigerator or something like that. And then a very decent size bedroom. And it should have its own bathroom too. Yep, there we go, exactly how I remember this. This has been one of my favorite floor plans for a long time from this company of Toll Brothers. I just feel like this is one that they nailed and it fits a lot of people, okay? We're gonna get in this kitchen. I'm gonna give you the price because I just wanted to get into this AC. It's 110 degrees, okay? That's what your kitchen looks like. And let me just set this down so we could talk about the price. Okay. So in this exact house, okay, this one was the first price, the list price, $712,000, okay? And they have since brought that price down to $665,000. And just to recap on the specs, 3,164 square foot, 6 bedroom, 4.5 bath house with a 3-car garage, okay? You got a little bit of rate buy down on this, and there's some flex credit that you can use. Now, looking at the house again, we got the 42-inch uppers. We got the slide-in range, which I'm not that big of a fan of, but I'm also like, hey, it works. I mean, this is a pretty nice setup as long as it's gas. You can always upgrade this later if it's not your style. You got your oven on the bottom here. Microwave up top, okay? Did we get soft close on these? Let's see. You ready? I don't think that's soft close. I think that door is just heavy. Let's try that again. Nah, that's not soft close. But let me show you the part about this. So here's your kitchen, okay? You see it, and then you go down inside of here, and you got like this little butler's pantry / key drop off. So your garage is over to my left, but you can set this up for a coffee station, and then you have your pantry over here hidden from the rest of the house. And I just like that idea because if you're coming from the garage, so here's your garage, okay? A little bit of an insulated door there. Okay, this one doesn't have a tankless. It has a 50-gallon water heater on it. And you're still plumbed over there. If you see that loop, that is ready for soft water. So you come in, set all your stuff down here, go right into your pantry, and then you're into the kitchen area. I just think it's a good setup, okay? Now, your living room, this would be your TV wall. And on the TV wall, they gave you the splitter to where you could drop cords down here to get to the bottom, okay? And you got plug up top and down low, all right? And then your dining room. Dining room's opposite side is pushed out a little bit so you can put everything the way you want it. You got pre-wire for a chandelier. But then let's go ahead on, take a look at the master. You have a master downstairs on this one. So 2 bedrooms downstairs, one of those being the master, both having their own bathroom, right? Big room. You can do a lot with this space. Big vanity, a lot of storage for both people. You know, I like that they didn't cheap out on that. What kind of shower do you have? They went ahead and did tile all the way up to the top. Let's get some light in here. They did tile all the way to the top. No bench, but I still like that we have a nice looking nook so you can put shampoo bottles or whatever. And then there is your shower head. Okay. Nice looking shower. Coming on now, let's see what the closet is about. Now, from what I remember, this closet was a little small, but you gotta remember the house is 3,100 square foot. And typically when I see houses like this that have closets that are not enormous, like some of the other homes on the channel, this is still good space. It's very usable. Just keep this in mind when you see small closets like that. The bedroom is normally accommodating enough for you to put real big furniture into. So I don't think it's a loss. I just think you got more space somewhere else. And then look, you got a linen closet here, which we love, right? We need the linen closet. We don't want that in the middle of what we're doing for our stuff. How do you like this front door setup? Okay, so this one has the clear glass. You can see straight through it. So all your Amazon delivery, you'll know if anybody's doing some what do they call it? Porch pirating. You'll know for sure if they're doing that or not. But again, you can go ahead and put blinds on this. You can put a stencil on it, the frosted glass look. Let's get up the stairs. This is some thick carpet. Okay, you got a nice loft, plenty of space to put a TV, some games, everything like that. And then on this side of the room, this one has a little key drop area. It has its own bathroom. And then here's the bedroom. Again, really good sized bedroom here. They're not small. These are not the 10 by 10s. Okay. 8-foot doors. And as I look out, you're facing the cul-de-sac. This is the front of the house, okay? Coming back over, you should have 3 bedrooms on this side. They got a built-in desk. It's a homework station, meal, whatever the kids need or adults that are living with you. Again, they did a great job on how they set up this secondary bathroom. You're gonna get those double sinks and the door closes to the rest of the bathroom so multiple people can use it. This is the money room. Whoever gets this room, they probably have the best views. Let's just look out that window. Okay, we can see those Superstition Mountains out there. Zoom in for you. Oh, too much. Let's come back some. There you go. All right, you can see those Superstition Mountains out there looking gorgeous today. All right. Now, again, you got your 8-foot doors, standard closet, nothing fancy there. These wires, that means there's going to be a HVAC unit here, one of the consoles, so they can control their own temperature. You'll see this room is about the same size, but they do get a walk-in closet. Okay, beautiful. And then the last room should be identical. Okay, walk-in closet. Got a couple homes behind you right here, but still got those beautiful Superstition Mountain views. Overall, I think they did real good on this floor plan. As I said, it's one of my favorites. And I love this look right here where you get all the natural light in the house. But I guess the big question is, who's gonna clean these windows? Because that is 1, 2, 3, 4 windows that you gotta look at cleaning. And here's your view from up top, okay? So you can check, make sure everything's all right downstairs, or honestly what's gonna happen is, we call these stairs, but this is gonna become a slide. If you got kids, this is a slide. They can't wait to come down this in a mattress and then probably go right through that rail. So go ahead and get yourself some soft stuff down there for them to fall on, okay? But 6 bed. Okay, so you saw it all. 6 bedroom, 4.5 bath house. And what I wanna know from you is this a house that you absolutely need because you have the bodies you need to fill every room? Or is it just a cool house to have so you can have the extra space? Because I get both types of people. Some people will never need that amount of bedrooms, but they want a hobby room, they want a game room, they want a gym, and they buy homes like this in order to accommodate that. But we do know that large families, you know, multi-generational families, you got mom staying or dad staying, you got adult kids in college, they need their own space. This solves that problem. If you think that this makes sense for you, you want to see what it looks like to get one brand new, or you just want to take advantage of the neighborhood and get one that's already done. Maybe it already has the pool in the backyard and you don't feel like dealing with that. Give me a call, shoot me a text, give me a smoke signal. I'll get you in touch with the right people, and then we will get this deal done for you. I'll see you on the next one.